From the start, when all was fun and games, wasn't hard.